Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will give the information about the CAD tool test conducted by many companies for selections of design engineers or CAD engineers. We will see the different types of CAD test for all softwares. There is CATIA, UG, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Solid Edge or Creo. They will give you the task and we have to complete the solutions and save the test. They will give you the result on basis of that will also applicable for all tests to the interior and exterior trims design. First one is 2D to 3D part modeling. Second one is 2D to 3D surface modeling, which is the zero surface thickness or a sheet metal like 1 to 2 thickness. Next one is 3D to 2D part drafting, 3D to 2D surfacing drafting. Remastering non-parametrics means dub surface to parametric or reverse engineering for the part design. And same test will be the for the surface design where the zero thickness given or like sheet metals. You have to remaster or make a specification tree according to that for better modifications. Next one is 2D to 3D top down assembly, which is the parts created in the assembly domains. Next one is a bottom up assembly, where next one is A to B surface creations, main tooling directions and parting line directions. Next test is feature creations or main tooling directions or finding parting lines, where we make. Next one is master sections. We have to match your A surface with A and B surface or C surface with the master section with uniform thickness. Next one is will use the variable thickness or make you the power copy of all features like a snap, doghouse, clip towers or any other features, or adding the ribs in that. Next text will be the master section ABC with variable thicknesses. First one we see the uniform thickness. Next one is the variable thickness with features power copy. Next one test is replacing the A style with new surfaces or any modifications in parts. In this way we first make a closed volume, next master sections, or next one is the modifications in parts or adding any profile or removing any profile. Last one is the complete projects. This is for the 8 to 10 years or 6 years experienced persons. In that we have to all make a closed volume ABC with master sections, power copy of features, depressions, impressions, interface creations, ladder lifter parting lines creations, block or considerations, RPS. We will see one by one. In this first all this test, first one is we give the task and we have find to the solutions. For a freshers or a 6 months experience, they give or any domains they give you 2D drawings. According to you have to make 3D part drawings. Once we make part drawings, save the same with the proper specification tree. They have give you the boolean types also or a simple specification tree. You have to create the 3D parts. Next one is our 2D to 3D surfacings. In that also from all these 2D drawings there will be detailed dimensions given to you. You have to make surfacings. Next one is our 3D to 2D drafting. As you give the 3D parts on, from 3D parts you have to drafting of that parts. So you have to know the how to take sections, where to take sections, how to apply datums or feature frames, their tolerance, bilateral tolerance is what is mean by that, or all a stock of dimensions or continuous dimensions. Same will be for the your surfacing drafting also. You have to sure to draft a surfacing part also. And next one is remasterings. You give you the dump model where we have no specification tree or a proper parametric. You have to make parametrics parts or from the given dump parts. To you have to give axis system, measure each and every dimensions from dump parts, and by the boolean operations by adding or removing or untrimming the bodies, you have to make your parametrics parts same as the given parts. and confirm that will be not linked with our given parts. Okay. Next test will be the 2D to 3D top down assembly. Whenever you parts 1 or parts 2 or number of parts make, that will be make in a assembly domain itself. Means in a assembly, go to the parts, makes parts, come again into assembly, and again next by reference of first part makes the next part in assembly domains. All parts will be generated or created in assembly domains to part designs domains. Next one is your bottom top of down assembly, where the part is separately made in the part designs and that called to the assembly department. Next one is closed volume. From given a surface, you have to create closed volume by giving the thickness to a surface whatever givens, and finding the tooling directions where part will be clear, and the parting lines also you have to find out. Next will be the same test, but the additional is to, from given surface you have to close the parts, finding the main tooling directions, parting lines, and adding the ribs and any features of power copy. Here is the star locator of power copy on the parts. You have to completely give solutions for the CAD. Next one is master sectioning. You have to follow the sections of for given parts. A surface given, master sections is given. This is the uniform master sections, means the same thickness of all master sections given to you at any sections in the part. So you have follow the master section and close the volume, find out the main tooling directions and parting line. This is your task. Next one is the master sections close volume with ABC with uniform thickness and features power copy. In this test, the additional one is to only power copy the features. This is for the more experienced person. Next one is master sections for variable thicknesses. Here is the 4 master sections which having the different thickness of the parts at the middle edge or the outer size of the part. So we have to close part according to that thickness. And next one is make close volume with variable master sections. Also create the flanges or power copy of the features or whatever task given in the CAD test. How we will solve that task? So you have to know the software very well and you have hand on or speed on the software. So you will give solutions within a time given. Next one is replacing the style. Here is the new profile of style given. That will be the modification in parts. This profile you have to modify in a given. Whatever we work before, there will be a specification tree. On that tree you have to replace these portions only or surface and make close volume with a minimum time. And also the second task is to, next test is to adding the thickness or giving the more thickness at the particular portions. There is the given dimensions. On that portions you have to add thickness 3 mm from 2 mm or smoothly match with the bottom surfaces. That is your task, and there will be a menu of number of features. To from specification tree you have to go to the base volume and select that base volume, offset that surface, extract the surface, offset that surface and match with smoothly. Also honeycomb ribs adding. Next one, last one is the projects. In a projects you give the 2 parts. One is the your base part, other is your environment parts. That will be dump, surface or close, whatever may be, or you give in the sections. From that you have to generate both close volumes with matching with master sections according to the find out main tooling directions, parting lines or any interface regarding to that, deciding RPS or fixation strategy, finding the out or power copy of locator fixations, and make this like a B surface of all complete program or projects. So you have there is a task. This test is for more than 6 to 7 years. Or thank you for watching video. Like, share and subscribe my channel for